Bhatt once again with you with the new video lecture. Hope you all are doing well and learning the concepts of physics through this series of video lectures. In this new video lecture, I will explain you about the compound microscope when image is formed at infinity, how to draw the diagram and how to find the angular magnification expression. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. If you will share, it will definitely help you more number of students to learn the concepts of physics. Press the bell icon button to get the notification of every new video lecture. Keep watching, keep learning.
Dear learners, today we will talk about the second case of image formation by compound microscope, and that is image is formed at infinity. So again we have to use the ray diagram of image formation. This is the object lens and this one is eye lens. So this time the image formed by object lens should be such that the image formed by eye lens lies at infinity, and we know very well it is possible only if the image formed by object lens is very close to the focus of eye lens. This is O dash optical center of eye lens and this is O optical center of. So for the purpose we will have two rays. One is passing through the optical center that goes straight, and another one is parallel to principal axis that passes through the focus. So this is AB object distance for the object lens is UO. AB is object here and A dash B dash is image formed by the object lens. This will act as an object for eye lens. So first ray will take parallel to principal axis and second ray we take passing through the optical center. So you can see these two rays are parallel to each other. In that way, if we produce them backward, you will see the image will form at infinity. So this is what image distance for the object lens, and this is object distance for the eye lens. So you can see in this diagram the final image is formed at infinity, and now we have to find out the angular magnification, expression for angular magnification. So angular magnification is again theta I upon theta A. This is the angle made by image, and where this angle? This is the angle made by image theta I. These angles are made at the eye, and since we are using eye close to the eye lens, so the angle we are taking from the optical center of eye lens as well. Now we have to find out theta O, and theta O is what? When the object is seen directly without using this lens, and where it is placed? It is placed at D. So as it is, we are taking the same symbol A double dash C. If you join this to the point O, this angle would be theta O, as we have taken in the previous case as well. So what is theta I here? Theta I is angle made by image. Where the image is formed? Image is formed at infinity. What is theta O here? Theta O is angle made by object. Where it is placed? Placed at C, D, and seen directly. Directly means without using the lenses, that is eye lens. So now again we have to find out these two ratios. So tan, this is equation number 1. So tan theta I is equal to A dash B dash upon A dash O dash, which implies theta I is equal to A dash B dash upon A dash O dash. It is, we are taking from the triangle A dash O dash B dash. Now it's turned to theta O. So again we will use the triangle tan theta O is equal to A double dash C upon A double dash O dash. So theta O is equal to A double dash C upon A double dash O dash. But A double dash C is equal to AB, so we will write AB upon A double dash O dash. Then if you replace in equation 1, equation 1 will turn out to be in the new form, and that would be M is equal to A dash B dash upon A dash O dash upon AB upon A double dash O dash. If you simplify this term, you will get A dash B dash upon A dash O dash into A double dash O dash upon AB. if we reshuffle as per our need, then it is a dash b dash upon ab into a double dash o dash upon a dash o dash. Now just see, this a dash b dash upon ab is the ratio of image formed by object length to the size of image formed by object length to the size of object. So we would have MO, and this is image distance. This is a double dash o dash is what? So let it remain as it is, a double dash o dash upon a dash o dash. Now MO is equal to VO upon UO, and a double dash o dash is equal to minus D, and a dash o dash is equal to minus FE. So it would be minus D upon minus FE, which implies M is equal to VO upon UO into D upon FE. So this is the magnification, angular magnification produced by the compound microscope when the image is formed at infinity. This distance was D that we had taken a double dash o dash. So in this video you came to know about the ray diagram, how the ray diagram is to be drawn when the image is formed at infinity, and how can we establish the expression for angular magnification. So we have learned about the angular magnification produced by compound microscope when image is formed at D and image is formed at infinity. Now I would tell you very little concepts related to the optical instrument like compound microscope and telescope as well, and that is tube length. This tube length is denoted by capital A, L, and it is separation between objective lens and eye lens. How can we find that? Just see, the distance between object lens and image A dash B dash is VO, and distance between A dash B dash and eye lens is UE. So it is sum of VO and UE. So what we can write here, L is equal to magnitude of VO plus magnitude of UE. This will help you in solving the numerical problems related to compound microscope. So, and please remember, mode is to be taken for VO and UE. It means you are not supposed to use negative sign. So thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe it, like and share, so that maximum number of students can take the benefit of it. Thanks for watching again. Keep watching, keep learning. We will meet soon in the next video. Bye.